Ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District ka Kong Isawanda lalu menta kasni kala play pat ba ya ka child friendly Shillong kani ka sing ka long ban pet ya ka bha ka miat jong ki khna ya kani ka program la pelong hanong thmai parish ha Shillong Malaysia menta de ki he sarkar ka Meghalaya bat kinong penya jong ki sing 3 months ngobha ki ba pet ya ka bha ka miat jong ki khna Habakren kani kesngi ke kong lalu kelaya ro ya kani keseng bat du ignong tre jong kiseng bhalang ki batre ya ka bha kamiat jong ki khna ka kong lalu kelapen sngoru bagi khna ki de banyo ikjing don kam bokong san bakentup ikjing puli ka jing kwat jing khia bat ka bam kadi ya kani kesngi lapen ipo iping da ka jing kren bat jing ruai na ki khna
I will try my best, but in case there is any, new program, then I will regret my inability. But having come here, I am so glad, and I feel that of all the various programs that I have in the week and the month, this will end up to be one of the most overwhelming and fulfilling, I think, because it is to do with our children, who really are our future. Pat Thomas has spoken in his speech, and Father Wanyan had spoken, in his prayer, really reminded us that we are here for our children. There's a popular adage or a saying that says that we borrow the present from our children, from our future generations. In fact, everything that we do, all the policies we make, all the decisions we take are one day going to impact our young children, and they are going to be our future. They are going to take the reins in a couple of years, in a couple of decades' time. So everything that we do really is for them. And this is such a timely occasion. I think the launching of this project, which we have heard about, is something which I am really inspired by. A child-friendly Shillong, a child-friendly city. I congratulate the efforts of all concerned. I learned that it has not been something which happened overnight. There have been constant talks and engagements right from 2015, as Pat Thomas was saying, and numerous deliberations have taken place. I congratulate the BIDS as well as all its collaborators, associated partners, GIZ, all the sponsors, both local, national and international, as well as allied organizations, the NCPCR, Childline, the District Child Protection Officer, and other various departments who we have heard will be playing a very critical role to ensure convergence of efforts and activities to ensure a child-friendly city. I was asking Pat Thomas that is it something new, has it ever been done before, and he informed me that this is the first of its kind. So it really is such a momentous occasion, I think, and I hope that it will be the start of a long and sustained journey to ensure the rights of our children, to ensure that priorities are put on top, that their issues are addressed, and most importantly, as was pointed out, that they get a forum to speak, that they get a voice to speak out about their concerns. A child-friendly city, in my understanding, a child-friendly city is one which, yes, not only protects children from crime and abuse and exploitation, and I'm so happy to see and to know that there are so many organizations, both government and private, in our state, in our district in particular, who are working day in and day out without rest to protect our children from abuse, from violence, to help street children, to ensure their safety, to ensure they get food, to ensure they get a proper education, that children who are under some kind of influence or who have fallen prey to various social evils are rehabilitated, are taken care of. This is so very important. But at the same time, a child-friendly city, a child-friendly environment also means a place or a city which ensures the rights of children in all aspects, that they can move about freely, that their health is ensured, that the footpaths they walk in are properly constructed, that in the surroundings of schools and Anganwadi centers, we have no negative influences. Under the Potpa Act, we have seen that the selling of tobacco products is barred within 100 meters from educational institutions. And so this is another aspect of a child-friendly space, places in which children are living in an environment that is safe, that is clean, that is healthy, and that is conducive.
di klalong kumbakat kantai senami ngala tri ha beri bikin kikna ha capacity ha ni organization ha Bosco Integrated Development Society di ha ni senam ni last movement shibun mingla ban launch ni project child friendly project ha shisha ni child friendly project ka bang ila ban ok project ka badaki khna na ka banta ki khna kamde shu kum ki project ke bangi ni ai service ki khna rimenta ngi kwa baling ba ka project in hikai ki khna ngin ai awareness ngin ai ka jingtip ye ki umno bikin song thu e ka hok jong ki anda ba ki la song thu pa e ka hok jong ki hadien kata bade kinsa ye le ban pentip pat ba adani ban pentip shiki bor ki bade na ka banta kong no bakin yo mat ye ka jing suk le si ka jing kimen ban lat ye ka jing sha thong bor ban lat ye ka jing sha ban ben le sing ni la ban ong du ban ki la ban yu i ka jing duna hang ni hang tai ha ki shnong ki thau ki shong ka la ban long ko ka jing duna jong ko ka la ban long ka jing duna ha ka lingti ka singking ka la ban long ka jing duna ha ka rupam sam ki mar bam na ka ling jong ko sokar le ni ka la ban long ru ha ka be de ba ki jing sha ban ben ki ba ki sha ala ki jong ki yeng sem kala bandon ke jing bambet bambiang ha ki school ki baki puli le se gi dona pring jong ki ba pung ni ong mene kim yo wa tang ke jakai le ka school namar bakim dan ki madan ban le ka te de ha kan ki rupam ka bangi ni don jing mu baling ba kan ka project nin a shwa ye ka awareness ki na dukin skung tho ki 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 hok jong ki anda ha ba ki skung tho ki hok jong ki ri hadien kata ba de bakin sasdang ba de ban wan cha khamat le se ban address ye ki issues ki baki ki kendu ha jing im jong ki ba malak sni ki la ban ya ning kong e le si na ka level jong dor bar shnong ha bakin e le ni kin pen sngo te ki jing bambet ki jing bambiang jong ki ha ki nong mi khmat ha ka dor bar shnong ha ki rang ba shnong le ni ha ki committee ha ki shnong ki ba pher nang ta le si ni la ban net wat churu sha ka sarkar le ni ki la ban ni pu shi ki nong mi khmat jong ka ni jong ki constituencies ki ba pher ha ka bakin pen tip ki e ta ki jing duna ha ko shnong ko tha te ha ka be de bat bak jing sha ban ben ka jing sha thombor jing ki thana le si ka ni kan long ka ta ka kalimti ka ba ban na ban ni lam ni ki ban bridge ka ta ka ga ka badon bakin sung tho shan kin le la don kun kita ka jing sha sha thombor ba kini ki khana ki badan ki children's club le sini la ban ong kinyele ru na ka banta ban wa jingtip ru posnong bo thau le si la ban don na preng ki khana ki ba posnong bo thau chung ki don tha preng ka jing sha thombor ka jing sha ban ben ka jing sha euro ki ba hok ka chung ki de de ha ka ko rupam le si ba kini ki grievances le si ki jing bamyo jong ki ka hok ha ki benta ki ba pher anwan ra khamat jong kini ki children's club ha ka ba kini ki children's club ade kinyele ade ban kam pui shi ki board ki bade ban pen so tho la ni ban ya tho shi ki le si kum do la ban intervene ha ki benta ki ba pher ha ka ba ki khna ki sha ru euro na ka hok ka jong ki rena ka benta ki we ba ki khna ki badan ki communities ki jong ki badan ki dong ha ki shnong ki jong ki le si ning kong e ka bangin le ka dali ka awareness ban pen so tho ki na takadaw ka ka jingan lomlang jong ni kumni bat ki NGOs ka ba pher ki ba specialize ki ba bon ki benta nak ta ni don ru yaki nomi khamat na ki departments ki ba pher nak takadaw ni ong ba di ban ka taka collective effort ka ba nakaliang bro ka bangin yele ban yara ki ni ki khna ki ba don ki jing ye kam dei ta mangi ki child friendly Shillong ka dei jing ye tri lang bat ki bat ki NGOs ka jing ye tri lang ru bat ki departments ki ba pher jong ka sarkar bat ni ki milen ti ro ba na ka media le se gindi ka we ka lat ka ban la ban yarap ikini ki khana ha ka ba ki ru kin yo e ka lat ka linti bakin voice ko opinions ke jong ki bakin voice ke jing sha yura ki ho hok ka jong ki ling ba ki lat ka thai ku bot ba pher kanang bakini ki jing sha yura ki jong ki kin poi shaki departments ki ba pher kin poi shki nom khmat jong ni baki ru kin pe lem na ka banda ka jing na ka banta ka ba ka mi jong ki khana ha ka imlang ka sa lang ka jong ni